Okay, Kinder and First, you are going to be doing this really cool butterfly activity. And before we begin, we need to talk about symmetry. This is why we're doing this. We are actually going to create this whole butterfly by only doing half of a butterfly. And then we are going to be folding it because whatever is going to be on this side of the butterfly is going to be the exact same thing on the other side of the butterfly. And that is actually called symmetry. When something is completely the same on one side as the other, like a mirror reflection, it has symmetry. So today you will have a piece of paper, and I've already folded it for you. I know sometimes it's hard to fold our paper, so I've already folded the paper for you. You will have black paint, a paintbrush, and you will have some red, yellow, and blue paint for the colors inside the butterfly. So the very first thing you're going to do is you are going to open up your paper. Make sure you are right here where this crease is, right here in the center of the paper. We are only going to be working on one half of the paper. We're going to be working on the half that's here. Like if it was a book, it's the part that would be on the table. Okay, so we're going to be working on the right side. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the body of the butterfly. And butterflies, actually, because they are an insect, they have 3 sections to their body. So we're going to create those 3 sections by coming right here to the center. And first of all, we're going to do 2 sections. We're going to do like an M. We're going to make an M, a sideways M, and we're going to fill it in. Okay, and then we're going to make one more. And this is going to be the body of the butterfly. All right, I want you to very carefully place your brush down on your mat. And we are going to fold. And we're going to rub, we're going to massage it. Perfect. We're going to open it up. And you should have something that looks about like this. Now, it's not going to be perfect, and that's okay. It's some of the paint's not going to, you're going to have a little bit of white spaces. That's okay. It still has symmetry. See how whatever's on this side is going to be on this side. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to put his little antenna, because butterflies have little antennas. So we're just going to put a little curvy line right up there. Perfect. We are going to put our brush down on our mat, and we are going to massage. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to do, and see, whatever's on that side is on that side. Now we're going to do the butterfly's wings. We are going to go in our black paint, and we're going to come down to the very first, his head. Do you see the part that would be his head right here? We're going to come right at the bottom of the head, and we're just going to do a line almost to the top of the page. Just a diagonal line, straight up, a diagonal line, just like that. And we are going to put our brush down, and we're going to massage. And voila. All right, and now we are going to we're going to go down to the middle of the body, or the bottom of the body. Do you see the second ball that we did, the second little M part? And we're going to go straight across, just like this. And we're going to massage. Open it up. You should have something that looks like this. And now we're going to come to the top of that diagonal line, and we're just going to make like a curve, just like that. We don't want to, we could do it straight across, but we want to make them a little curvy. And we're going to flip it, and we're going to massage. Perfect. Now we are going to go to, again, the bottom of the belly. And we're going to do a straight line down, just like that. Little diagonal line right there at the middle of the butterfly, at the belly. And we're going to massage. And then we are going to come right here at the bottom of the wing, and we're just going to curve out. We're going to connect that wing. Beautiful. And we're going to fold it, and we're going to massage. And now we have a butterfly. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some color because butterflies are very colorful. And we're actually going to use our fingers to do this. So now I want you to dip in, let's dip in our yellow first. And we're just going to take our finger and we're going to dip in the paint. And on one side of the butterfly, I'm just going to put some yellow dots. Not too many because I want to add some other colors. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to keep my finger out of the way. I don't want to get that yellow on my paper. I'm going to fold it and I'm going to massage. And look at this perfect symmetry we have. Whatever's on this side of the butterfly is on this side of the butterfly. Now I'm going to take this finger, so I don't want to mix it. I'm going to take this finger here, my clean finger, and I want to dip in some, let's say blue. Let's go ahead and dip in some blue. Just on one side, not on both. Just on this side of the butterfly. And I'm going to flip it and massage. Ooh, look how pretty. And then I'm going to take this clean finger and I'm going to add, and that's okay, I can add my red on top of those other colors. That's okay. And I'm going to add some red. And you can leave some white. That'll actually look kind of pretty. And I'm going to flip it. Massage. And voila, you should have a beautiful symmetrical butterfly when you are done. Okay, we are going to, you have a sponge at your seat that you're going to wipe your fingers on. You have a damp sponge. You're going to bring your paper to the drying rack and you're going to get a wipe and you're going to finish cleaning your hands and your mat, if you got anything on your mat. And you're going to put your black brush in the sink. Okay, have fun.